Sanibona, phinde nginibingelele nje ngaleli thuba ngalomzuzu ngalesi sikhathi umdalo wezinomhlaba asasibusise ngaso. Yazi bantu baNkulunkulu kunama-topic amaningi ayekabe ngizothi very deep ngendlela eyisimanga, whether they are harsh, whether they are unbelievable, whether ayisima kanjani but asuke deep ngalendlela eyisimanga ukuthi you can never just understand them ngendlela okuyiyo nangendlela uNkulunkulu asuke eveza ngayo, but uNkulunkulu acacise kakhulu ukuthi kukanjalo kunjengoba ubona, kunjengoba kwenzeka kuyikona lokho, because ziningi izinto ezenzeka ebumnyameni, ziningi izinto ezenzeka singaboni, singanakile, zenzeke and eziningi zazo zenzeka right under our noses. Zenzeka sikwazi, whether okunye usuke wazi ukuthi kuyenzeka, whether okunye usuke ungazi, whether kodwa kwenzeka right under our noses. But-ke uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba ahleze ethanda ngoba uyabonelela zonke izinto. Uhleze esithandela ukuthi zonke izinto sizazi, siziqonde khona sizozihlenga kukona konke. Ngoba kuningi kuyenzeka, kuningi kwenzeka zonke indawo, kuningi kwenzeka kubonke abantu, kuningi kuyenzeka njalo. But kuwenzeka kunjalo ngoba sinoNkulunkulu ozaziyo, ozibonayo zonke lezi zinto. Uzibonelela ukuthi uma eseza kithi ezosiyala asitshele ngazo, bese nathi siyakwazi ukuzisiza impela. Bese nathi siyakwazi ukuzihlenga impela. Because ezinye izinto ubone ngesikade ukuthi why this person esebehave kanje, why lo muntu enza ngalendlela, why engakwenza ukuthi, why eseshintshele ngalendlela. It is because of what? It is because of the fact that kade vele kwaba khona into influential kuyena ekade ivele imengameli noma ingaphezulu kwakhe, ibhizi shintshe impilo yakhe ngendlela eyahlukile. Kwaze kwabonakala ngoba nakho sekufika to an extent lapho khona ngasalawuleka ukuthi hayibo kahle kukanjena lana, kahle kuyilesimo, kahle ukuthi nokuthi. So bantu baNkulunkulu into ekumele siyazi sikhumbula ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi there's a lot that is happening and yenzeka khona la. Ngoba if singenawo amehlo akamoya, ziningi izinto esingeze sazibona, ziningi izinto esingeze saziqonda. Siyawadinga ngempela amehlo akamoya ukuze asisize sibone izinto, sizibone ngendlela eziyizo. We must be able to see i-reality ngendlela eyiyo, because amehlo enyama abuka ngehlo lokusurvive lapha emhlabeni, but akamoya ayibuka into ngendlela engqo, ngendlela eyiyona. It's like uzoba ku relationship uyazi ukuthi umyeni wakho mhlawumbe uyakuhlukumeza, uyakushaya nani. Wena uzolibela ubuka ngehlo lenyama ukuthi ngizokwenza njani ngaphandle kwakhe, ngizosurvive kanjani, kuukuthi nokuthi. Ungakubuki ngqo ukuthi njengoba engishaya kanje abusive towards me, ngelinye ilanga mhlawumbe uyothatha ubhushi angiqobe. Leyo nto leyo izongalight emehlweni akho, ngisho kuthiwa umuntu uzokutshela yona, ngisho kuthiwa ama circumstances azovela whereby there was same situations as eyakho nomyeni wakho, but uzongafikela nje engqondweni ukuthi hayibo ngeke, no, it's not gonna happen. So ke siyabona ama situations alapha emhlabeni, i-reality iyacacisa ukuthi imali ayikho, i-reality iyacacisa ukuthi izinto azisenzeki ngendlela efanelekile, but ihlo lenyama lizoloko lidela to izindlela vele ezingeza kusiza ngalutho at the end of the day. So I had a dream njengomhla ka-22 June, a very fascinating one, a very deep one, and for abantu abaningi they will not understand, but I pray ukuthi umoya kaNkulunkulu sisize sikwazi ukuthi siqonde lo myalezo, sikwazi ukuthi siziqonde izinto eziningi khona sizozihlenga sizisindise. Because yazi ngibuke mina into ngehlo lokuthi only if besisaphila ngendlela uJehova wesidale ngayo, only if besisaphila ngendlela abesihlalele ngayo, only if besenza zonke izinto ngendlela uJehova athanda ukuthi senze ngayo, ngaba sikho ezinkingeni eziningi kanje, ngaba siluthekiswa kakhulu kanje. Only if asivumanga singabantu ukuthi sibe so scattered, sihlakazeke ngendlela esihlakazekile ngayo, ngaba siphilile impilo yosizi kanjena, ngaba siphilile impilo yokubuswa mimoya kanjena, Ngabe siphila impilo engekho right ngaleli hlobo elingekho right ngayo njengamanje lesi sikhathi esesikusona. Ngabe siphila impilo enokuthula, ngabe siphila impilo enenjabulo enentokozo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Sazi ukuthi sino Jehova thina osidalile, sazi ukuthi sinomhlengi wethu thina osithandayo, sazi ukuthi sinoNkulunkulu ongcwele othandekayo, ubaba wethu ohlala ekhaya izubili, lo osenzela konke, lo hlezi seduzane nathi. But ngenxa yokuthi zonke izinto sifuna ukuzibuka ngempilo ngendlela esilutheka ngayo ehlukile lapha emhlabeni, that is how and when we end up in the wrong hands. So kunemphakathi emphakathini esiphila kuyo. There are secret societies bantu bakaNkulunkulu esiphila nawo. They are actually amongst us, kodwa angeze wababona because they're just people. Umazi ngegama lakhe, umazi ngesibongo sakhe, umazi whatever ayiyona, but kunomphakathi aphila kuwona yena nabantu aphilisana nabo, abaphila bephila befuna ukwenza injongo thizeni, ephinde include wena muntu, iphinde include wena nomphefumulo wakho. So angeze wababona futhi angeze wasola, ngisho ukusola, because they play their cards very, very, very nice. They make sure ukuthi zonke izinto zigcina zifihlakele so that bezoyenza yonke into yabo and achieve whatever that they want to achieve. Now, one thing kumele siqonde ngesitha ukuthi into esifunayo iyodwa abantu baNkulunkulu. I will always repeat that. Sifuna ukuthi abantu baqhelelane noNkulunkulu. Isitha, that is what he's fighting for each and every day, all the time. So I had this dream, and it was around when I wrote it, isikhathi la kubhale 3:42. Should I woke up earlier and then I quickly wrote everything. So it was around those times, those hours, early hours of the morning. uNkulunkulu mengibonisa lokho noma engidlulisa in this kind of experience in my dream. Because in many cases, when it comes to dreams, it's either uNkulunkulu letha umyalezo or it's either kufake kwi-situation khona uzoyibona lento, uzoyifila, whether kwenzakalani, uyashawa, uyabaleka, but uzofila everything eyenzakalayo, khona uzokufila ukuthi konke kula emphefumulweni kujulile konke ngendlela esimanga. So isithi into esiyenzayo sisihlukanisa noNkulunkulu ngokuthi sikhande a certain barrier, a certain fence between thina noNkulunkulu. Sikhanda a separation phakathi kwethu nomdali wethu, and ngokwenza lokho sizobe sizibusela-ke thina, because mase sikudale ukuthi uhlukane nomdali wakho uzokubusa kahle phela usuwedwa. Ngithi if umuntu umenza ukuthi ahlukane nomunye umuntu, like if you gonna cause umngani wakho ukuthi ahlukane nentombi yakhe, wena ke sufuna ukuyitholela indawo ke, usuyitholela intuba ke, usuyakwazi ukumshela ke, sokwazi ukwenza ukuthi, because you have caused their separation. I-separation yabo sikwazi ukuvulela wena ithuba. So isithi mase sikuhlukanise noma sesihlukanise thina, sesihlukanise nomdali wethu nomhlaba, sesihlukanise noNkulunkulu, ngaleyo ndlela sesiyakwazi ukuthi singeneke, sesiyithola ke naso indawo yaso kithina. But if sisanoNkulunkulu asiyitholi neze. That is why ngaso sonke isikhathi kumele uqale wehlukaniswe naye, kumele uqale ungakhuleki kuqala, kumele uqale ungafaki zonke izikhali zamaKristu, kumele uqale kube khona la kushoda khona kuqala, so that sizokwazi ukuthi sithole indawo, sithole intuba, senze isikonke esifuna ukuthi sikwenze. So ngokwenza lokho bese siyayibusela. The problem though with us iyohlezi ikungalaleli. That's the problem isohlezi sibhekene nayo, ungalaleli singabantu, ungasondeli kuNkulunkulu. In that way we won't be covered. If ungalaleli, ungasondelani noNkulunkulu, uzokukhavwe yini, ubiyelwe yini? Like awumlaleli umzali wakho, awuhlale ekhaya kini, uzovikelwa yini le emgaqweni, uzovikela yini le la uhleli khona? Ilutho. But if umlaleli umzali, uthobela intando yakho, wenza imithetho yakhe, uhlala la ekhaya la ebukhoneni bakhe, ngisho abantu bengathi untshontile, uzosho umzali ukuthi yes ngiyezwa nithi untshontile, but ingane yami le angeke nize ningene nikufuna ukuhlela nonke nithi nizokwenza emzini wami, ngeke kuze kwenzeke lokho, khohlwana, cala ningiphumele. There is a form of cover onayo. If uhleli lapha ubekwe khona, if uhleli lapha kumele uhlale khona, if uhleli lapha uzovikeleka khona. Because only where umzali wakho ekhona, that is when you will have the full protection, full force yokuvikeleka, full armor. Isivikelo, ufake zonke izivikelo ngendlela elungile, ngendlela efanelekile. So, if ukukhuluma uNkulunkulu, we are not covered from these demonic forces akhona angathanda ukubusa ngaleso sikhathi. Futhi one thing engiyibonayo ukuthi the more abantu beqhelela kuJehova, yazi le mimoya ebabusa kakhulu kunakuqala. You know, especially these days we are seeing izinto eziyisimanga. Abantu indlela ama-forces ababusa ngayo, and bayavuma nabo ukuthi yonke le mimoya ebabuse ngale ndlela ebabusa ngayo. And enye into ukuthi except for laba vele abazaziyo ukuthi bayizisebenzi zesitha, bazaziyo ukuthi bayisebenzi zobumnyama, kodwa kukhona sike isitha sibasebenzise bengazi, yazi sike sibasebenzise nabo bengaboni ukuthi basetshenziswa yisona over and over again. Kanti the demonic forces aphezulu kwabo ayababusa kakhulu. Futhi umuntu ayitshela ukuthi ukunika nje an advice ukuthi hayi hambe enyangeni ethizeni, hamba mhlawumbe nje mongajoyini Illuminati nani, usetshenziswa ubumnyama wena so that uzosusa omunye umuntu endleleni elungile, umenze ukuthi ajoyine ubumnyama naye. It's how about usebenzise, how about usebenzisa noma ungasebenzisa lo muthi noma ungasebenzisa, usetshenziswa ubumnyama ukuthi uinfluence omunye umuntu ekuthenini enze into ezomsusa kuJehova. Everything engahlangene noNkulunkulu ozoyitshela omunye umuntu, you are being used by the spirit of darkness, the demonic force, ukuthi uinfluence that person ekuthenini asuke endleleni, ekuthenini angathembi uJehova kodwa athembe abanye onkulunkulu, athembe eminye emimoya. You are being used now. How can you tell someone ukuthi angathembi uJehova umdali wezulu nomhlaba? How can you tell someone ukuthi angathembi umzali wakhe? Like athi umuntu yazi ngidinga icathulo kanje uzomtshela ukuthi hayi hamba uyoyizama lapha yana kumama uMthembu. How about you tell them ukuthi hayi awuziceli ngani kubaba wakho? Awuziceli ngani because ubaba wakho uyasebenza? Because ubaba wakho unemali. Why ungaziceli kubaba wakho? Uzodinga icathulo nje wona uziceli ngani kubaba wakho? Ikanjalo ke le ndaba nathi abantu baNkulunkulu. Ngoba izinto asibatshela abantu amaqiniso ukuthi tell your father you angithi uzalo baba udalo uJehova umdalo wezulu nomhlaba, uyena okubekile lapha emhlabeni okubumba wakwenzela konke. Tell him ukuthi now Nkosi ngidinga ukuthi, tell the Lord ukuthi now baba ngishoda ngo1 no2 no3, and the Lord uzokwenza isiqinisekiso sokuthi unikeze zonke izidingo zakho. But if umuntu ezothi mhlawumbe udinga something, wena uzomtshela ngokunye kungela khona la evela khona, you are being led by that spirit ukuthi sizomtshela engafanele, sizomtshela ongekona, sizomtshela ungalungile, simqhelelanisa simsusa nobukhona baNkulunkulu lapho kufanelekile khona. So ekanjalo indaba. So now bantu baNkulunkulu kuleli phupho ngiphupha isikole esikhulu eVarsity. In this dream ngihamba kulesi sikole nama ngizazi ukuthi ngiyaphi, and to be quite honest ngazazi ngampela ukuthi ngiyaphi, but I'm just being led. You know, when the Lord takes you to places, it just leads you and lead you on and lead you on. Manje ngibona this guy onama tattoo, and lo guy lona uyakhuluma ukuthi so lama tattoo akhe lawa asuka la, you know, asuka la ezandleni agudla hamba ingalo zonke, hamba ingalo, hamba angazi ke la emzimbeni because ugqokile nani, but la wefake nje okusa vest. So amathathu ahamba ngisho emlomeni, ahamba azafike like all over his face. It is full of tattoos. Now ningabe lo mfana ngimbone nama tattoo kanjena, uyakhuluma uthi isiphetho sami vele ukufa. Now one thing engiyaziyo ngisitha ngamademoni, ngemimoya, izisebenzi futhi zobumnyama, they all know ukuthi isiphetho sabo ukufa. They all know ukuthi isiphetho sabo kusechibini lomlilo. They understand that. Bayazi ukuthi isebenzeni kethi kanje sizophelela la. And that is why they want to influence as many ukuthi nayaphelele lapha, nayaphelele lapha. Because masuwazi ukuthi vele uzofa, uzofuna ukuthi nomunye afe, because ufuna ukuthi nomunye aphelele la uzophelela khona, ufuna ukuthi nomunye abuzwele lobuhlungu, ufuna ukuthi nomunye abe senkingeni naye, ufuna ukuthi nomunye ashelele, ufuna ngeke uzumfisela omunye umuntu into enhle wazi kahle ukuthi wena ngeke usaphinde uyithole leyo nto leyo. That is what is happening njengamanje, sidila nemimoya ekanjalo eyaziyo ukuthi izophelela kwalasha. Isinomona ukuthi there are people abangeke baze baphelele kwalasha. Then let us try and influence them as well. Let us try sibathathe nabo sibafake la. Let us sibalande nabo lapho besakhululeke khona, sizobabopha nabo khona bezofa nabo, khona bezoluthekiswa nabo, khona bezolahleka nabo. And more especially into eyenzeka kakhulu when it comes to these people who are influential. Ibona basetshenziswa kakhulu so that bezozuza abantu abaningi. You have many views angithi, you have many likes, then uzosetshenziswa so that you can gather many as you can. Iyathandeka bamthanda abantu, bamthanda Nkosami, mhlawumbe oSomizi kwaMamkhize, whoever I celebrate, uyathandeka ngithi. And the forces will use that mouth, will use that kind of life, will use that kind of person so that ezolanda abaningi. Because you've got what? You've got a beautiful voice, uyacula ngithi. Then that voice will be used ukuthi lispread that spirit sokuthi abantu basondele ekuthenini nabo balahleke, ekuthenini nabo bangakuthola umbuso wezulu, bangakuthola ukuphila phakade. Now message lamagama ukuthi vele isiphetho sami siwukufa, uyazi ukuthi konke akwenzayo siyakwenza nje vele, uyazi ukuthi uzophelela kuphi, siyakwenza nje whether abanye bakwenzela imali ukuthi akasale sebusa ke lapha emhlabeni, whether abanye sebekwenzela nje ukuthi just because it's all about money. But you can sell your soul and get the riches, and they really do sell their souls and they get the riches. Kodwa ama riches abo aphelela la, bayosha esikokweni. So as I was saying ukuthi bayazi ukuthi bayichibela umlilo, bayakwenza nje impela abekwenzayo, kodwa bayazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani kubona kusasa. So uNkulunkulu aye kuveza ngaleli phupho ukuthi these people are workers of ubumnyama, because ngazuthi in that school mangelapha yana kwakunama pamphlets that this guy ababezinikeza wona ama students, like amaphepha thizeni, whether it's tickets, I'm not sure, but there's something that has to do with church. The reason why I get to there's something that has to do with church, I'll mentioned by uqhubeka le video. So uNkulunkulu wangithatha ngangena nje kuleli bhilidi lalesi sikole. When it comes to university anendlela ehleleke ngayo ezahlukahlukene, manje iminyango miningi, ungena la ungenele la, ungenela ko E12 ibanibani 103, kuningi nje, baningi ama rules, ama classes la kufundwa khona. But when I'm being led here in this dream, ngiholeleka kuleli class that had 2 spaces. In a class kunomnyango ongena ne iclass, and then moqhubeka there is another door kulo leli class, omunye umnyango, kodwa ngazuthi the other one akulona iclass ekufundela kulona, ufundelwa nje la kuphela. So wena mawungene la, you just see ukuthi okay iclass nabo there's board nanani, desk, kunazo zonke izinto eziba khona ema-university, ihlalo, etc. And there is another one but elivalwe ileli. Now ngingena in this class, ngifika, there are 2 guys bahleli lana, busy nje nezinto zabo abanakile nanani. So mangingena, there's also another doors angala in the sides, and the other doors they lead to amanye ama classes futhi. So ngingena in this class, ngiqale ngivule lo mnyango lo ongala. Mangivula ngibone nabo abafundi nqwaba bayafunda ngala, uthisha uyafundisa, abanye babangumsindo, wenze kanje izinto eziningi ezixokozelayo, but that's not the case. And then mangiqeda ngivala lo mnyango, and unfortunately I opened this door. Sengivula lo mnyango ke lo ongaphakathi ongasetshenziswa. So mangivula lo mnyango, I saw many students la. Many students. Along with this guy. Because lo guy lo makuveza isithombe sakhe in this dream kuvela as uguy lo ubizwa ngo-Oros. There's this guy oseka-actor kwi-Skeem Saam, Omphofu. I think he died kwi-Skeem Saam. He's a twin in real life, uyiwele. Ubizwa ngo-Oros. I think igama lakhe langampela u-Oros. I saw him, uyena lo who had tattoos nani, celebrity, yazi ukuthi ama-celebrity iy'ngane zimthanda kangakanani. They were always like, oh, how sibani bani, oh, how about this guy nani. So I saw him in this dream. uNkulunkulu waveza yena. Not sure, not 100% sure ukuthi is he also part of all these syndicates, or it was just his face as a face ethandwa a public, you know. And ngazuthi kuyacollectwa-ke manje, you know, in a situation mekade niphuma nibaningi mhlawumbe niyaphuma niyadayisa, niphuma nje nihlakazeke ey'ndaweni ezahlukahlukene, ndayise and mase nibuya sekuyabala ukuthi okay wena udayisa ungaka, kuthenga ungaka, you know, there's that collection yayo yonke into eyenzekile ngaleso sikhathi. So now sekuyabalwa-ke kubalwe kanjalo labantu mangibabheka amehlo abo abomvu ngaso sathi behuqa insango. So now when from the start of the dream, ukuze nje ngicacise kahle le ndaba, that guy was talking endaweni public, but mayekhuluma ngazuthi mina ngiyamuzwa, ngimlalela spiritual ukuthi hayi njobe esho ukuthi nene vele isiphetho sami ukufa nani. It's like into ayaziyo, into axoxa ngayo nani because into abayaziyo bonke. And then sebesuka kuleyo ndawo, they've influenced people nani, sebeya kulela room sebeyobala lento ababeyibala, and they went in their normal form because uma benza lento ngazuthi kunama-spirit along with them, kwenzeka izinto eziningi. So lo guy onama-tattoo, it's like uyi-leader yabo ehamba e-collects in different universities, in different varsities. Now as I was saying, lo muntu memile la busy collect athi kulezi sebenzi lezi ezibhizi la nalamaphepha, these pamphlets nani, athi susani u-Amen. And as I was mentioning ukuthi ngizokusho kule video ukuthi why ngithi it had something to do with the church, because wathi susani u-Amen, that is why I figured ukuthi okay, it's something that had a portray of uNkulunkulu somewhere somehow ngalento akade beyenza. So methi susana u-Amen, it's like sekuyacaca-ke manje ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani. It's not about God, it's not about whatsoever, whether izingane bezisayinisa or something, or whether it's the tickets khona, it's certain event or whatsoever. But uNkulunkulu ayefisa ngi-underline ngiyibone ukuthi they were using his name as well laphaya ukulahlekisa ngokuluthekisa abaningi, because ezikolweni ngisho igama likaNkulunkulu lisetshenzisela ukuthi abantu bangike baze banake, because singabantu deep down siyamthanda uJehova, siyamdinga futhi sihlezi silangazelela yena, and ngokwenza kwethu kanjalo bathi banjwa ngeyudlayo, sibanjwa ngakho lokho ngoba sithanda uJehova. Now just before nje I get to the deepest core of this message, I saw these two guys, these guys laba abala bahlela in this class, about two. It's like bagadile somehow, cause omunye waze wavakashelwa nje intombi yakhe yaqhamuka, yathi sifuna ukungena, wavele wavimbe. Ubona umuntu uma ufuna ukungena uvele ume emnyango ngoba kukhona, you know, something that is happening ngala endlini. Wama naye emnyango, walibele iblush, walibele ekhuluma nayo, cause yona ufuna ukuhlala naye nani, libele enza ama-excuses, libele incenga nani, you know, when those guys make small talks nani bekhuluma wonke lawo magama, ukuze sibone ngempela abantu baNkulunkulu ukuthi abantu bobumnyama bezohlezi be-manipulative. Futhi sizokhuluma amagama amnandi ethi hayi khululeka sithanda sami, sizobuye sibonane, ngizokubona into ukuthi futhi ngizokuthengela ipizza nani, you all know university life, ngikuthengela ukuthi nokuthi, because these people they get to have so much money so that bezo-influence abantu abaningi. Mhlawumbe once in a while kuyophuza, ubuze ukuthi le ngane le thatha imali ukuthi bayophuza ama-students nani, kanti they get money somewhere from the dark so that bezo-influence abaningi ukuthi nabo baze bagcine they get money from the dark ukuze ba-influence abantu abaningi ukuthi balale nabo, because uma ulele nomuntu kuba ne-soul tie, ngale nkathi nibophelana umoya okuyena immediately and automatically it gets spread to you as well. Hlale njalo ingqondo yakho ifiphazelekile, hlale njalo ingqondo yakho inganakile ukuthi hayibo there's this force esingibusa, there's this umoya osungibusa njengamanje ongafanelekile, ongekho right. Now as I was saying ukuthi this guy avule lapho umnyango ukhulume nale ntombazane and then aze ayixoshe ngandlela thizeni, ngendlela ayixosha ngayo nangamagama ayewasebenzisa. So kahle kahle nalaba babegadile kungengoba babezihlalele nje steady in this class, kodwa babeqaphelile ukuthi kungatholakali ukuthi khona ababhizi in the other room le secret. Now as God allowed me, because ngibuza ukuthi okay, if umuntu exasha kanje mina ngena kanjani, because God allowed me ukuthi ngingene lapha and they didn't even see me and I entered so that ngizobona ukuthi kwenzakalani. So unfortunately ngisamangele ukuthi kanti nithumba abantu, kanti nidlala ngabantu, because everything lapha it's all about souls, it's all about blood, it's all about initiating amanye ama-student namanye ama-student. Ngisamangele ngisabuka lokho, kanti nibulala iy'ngane kanjena lana universities, bavele bangibona ngingasabaleki kanje in the stream. I ran for my life because the information enganginayo, it was very deep. I now ngiyabaleka, ngashayisicapha vu, ngiphuma ngibaleka izitebhisi ngangithi ngifuna ukuyindiza indlela kwakungayo. Ezitebhisi ngangehla ikhuthu, ngangehla ngathunga 3 nga-3, ngehla ngiyaphinde ngiyagxuma futhi khona la cause ubona itebhisi ukuthi ufike wehle kube nendawo phinde ufehle mase ngizofika kuleyo ndawo le ngagxuma ngiphinde futhi ke ngirana for my life because I saw something that is very very deep, into ongabulawela yona, because it's a very tangible information yobumnyama engafuneki ukuthi yaziwe nanoma ubani. Ke now one thing I want to highlight and make sure ukuthi understand ukuthi ngale nkathi sengibaleka ke, that is when they made calls ukuthi nango ke usetholile ulwazi kanje mbambeni, khona usisi ufake into emhlophe, because I had my scholars in the dream. Khona usisi ufake into emhlophe uhamba uyabaleka nizombona ngalokho. So ngiyabaleka sengifika endaweni engazuthi i-parking lot, ngishona ngala, and now the whole school, bonke abantu abakule secret society, abakule, I think I'll call it these Illuminatis thing, abasebenzela ubumnyama, izisebenzi kaSathane, the whole school now is now looking for me. Bonke bafuna ukungibulala. And I realized ukuthi even in first years khona izisebenzi, second years khona izisebenzi, third years khona izisebenzi, ama-lecturers khona izisebenzi, bonke around the whole school. And unfortunately, even the leader, or the principal of the school, is part of this thing. Because uyena ekugcineni ngathi sengibabalekele bonke iy'ngane from ama-first years, ngababalekela bonke ngabaleka. He's the one who almost caught me, principal. Because kusho ukuthi nange sebalekela ngala, because it's like bakwazi ukungibona, I don't know, angazi kanjani, kuthiwa nangu sishona ngala, ngibaleka screaming for my life, ngihayiza, ngibaleka aze ngalahleka phansi, even my clothes, ngibaleka serious because indaba inkulu, izinto zijulile bantu baNkulunkulu. And by that time what happened is I screamed for uNkulunkulu and wangisindisa khona lapha, and I woke up terrified, ngavuka ngishawa uvalo because it was super real ngendlela eyishimanga. Now even the guy confirmed ukuthi hayibo ubone into angamela ukuthi ayibone lo sisi, kumele abanjwe ngempela, kumele abulawe. So everyone was out to come to me for a killing. Wonke umuntu weze kimi wayezoqeda ngami azongibulala. So mangibaleka ngifisa ngisho undiza nani. Now The unfortunate part ukuthi, as I was saying ukuthi even principal ukuyona lento. So ungathemba kangakanani because even isikole makumholi umphathi a part of the syndicate, a part of ubumnyama, a part of izinto ezingekho right ezenziwayo, a part of kona konke lokhu. And ngoba baningi kakhulu abantu bagcwele isikole, and these people are so many. Kuma first years bagcwele, second years, third years, bonke bayasebenza nalapha 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 nalapha. Everyone need to work. Why? Because ubumnyama bufuna ukusabalala, bufuna ukufinyelela wonke umuntu, bufuna uku-initiate wonke umuntu. Bufuna ukuthi zonke iy'ngane zingawuboni ubuso wezulu. Ufuna ukuthi zonke izingane zishintshe, ufuna ukuthi zonke izingane zilahleke, ufuna ukuthi zonke izingane ubumnyama bufuna ukuthi yonke into ingenze ngendlela efanelekile. Zonke izinto angazi ngichaza ngithini le ndaba. It's all about initiating. It's all about spreading the bad spirit. It's all about spreading the spirit of ufebe. It's all about spreading the spirit of ukuphuza. Ngibona ukuthi azifebe kanje izingane zasemavasithi, aziphuzi kanje. Spreading the spirit of ubuntshontsa. They steal from one another emaresi, zintshontshelana udlelana ukudla kuningi nje. Spirit of ukuthanda izinto, zithanda izinto zingenazo izimali. And then mase sebonakala ukuthi lo uthanda izinto naye siyajoyina ngala khona ezothola le mali khona ezophinda sebenze and make the other ones join as well. Kuningi. But they are just slaves, man, of ubumnyama. They are just slaves because zonke lezi zinto abazenzayo bazophelela kwalasha ngelinye ilanga. And when I woke up, this dream felt so real. Linda, I feel it was so real ngalendlela ukuthi I was trembling ngangikhala because indlela kwakwenzeka ngayo. So these people, they work for Satan, number one. Number two, they initiate one another lana esikoleni. It's all about ukusebenza lapha esikoleni. Kuyasetshenzwa nje kamanje. Lo ufakela lo, nalo ufakela lo, nalo ufakela lo. Imoya yobumnyama, imoya engafanelekile, imoya yasemkhathini, imoya yokupraise amadimoni, imoya nalo wafakela lo, nalo wafakela lo boy. Kuqedwa ama-souls. And whether baspreada ngocansi balalane ama-students kuyamithwa khona la kwenzeka zonke izinto ezingekho right. Umbuzo uthi ingane iphuma ekhaya iyaphi, bingayeli ukufuna iziqu, bingayeli ukufunda, bingayeli kodwa ibuya nesisu njengamanje, bingayeli ukufunda kodwa ibuya isinemoya yasemkhathini, isibuya isinoni, isibuya bingayeli yini ukufunda, isibuye siyeni i-character, isibuye siyomunye umntwana. Uboke uzubuza umbuzo wodwa ukuthi why izingane uma zifika emavasithi zishintshe. Thola ukuthi ingane bikholwa, kuyakholwa la ekhaya iyaliwe, iyaleziwe kwenzeke zonke lezi zinto. But ifike ifice le spirit lapha evasithi. Ishintshe ingane siyaphuza manje. Ishintshe ingane siyagoloza manje. Ishintshe ingane siyabhema manje. Isibhema bonke labo ohabli nani. Usefuquzwe habli because the forces alaphayana ayasebenza abantu bakaNkulunkulu. They are all over the races, they are all over the schools, they are all over amabhasini, amagibelayo, everywhere. Outing to kill izingane zabantu. Ngane isuke kamnandi nkosami endaweni esemakhaya. Esikoleni. Ihambe kade kumnandi langazelela. Ifike ishintshe ibe yenye into. Buke impilo yalapha ama-blessa, imali, fame, impahla ugqoka this expensive ones, kuningi ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo. And then bese bayalahleka kanjalo because it's the more the merrier. Bumnyama bafuna lokho. Mase bayoningi so baningi bazofela esikokweni. That is what's amazed them. That is what's so good. That is what they want. That is what they want to see. That is what they want to achieve. And they even go to an extent of ukuluthekisa abanye ngenkolo, which is something egqamisa kakhulu because izingane eziningi they come from home emakhaya akholwayo, suke nje ekhaya likholwayo, mhlawumbe ingane yamfundisi ihambe iyofunda, and they influence them with the churches. ayinkohliso angekho right, obumnyama, but busy still spreading these bad spirit angekho right. Bantu baNkulunkulu konakele emhlabeni, konakele ngendlela esimanga, because it's all about lead them to the wrong direction, so that they will know uNkulunkulu, so that they won't go ngendlela efanelekile, so that they won't save their souls, so that they won't save themselves, so that bengakuthola ukuphila okuphakade. So okumangazayo uthi uma ukubheka ucabanga ukuthi angeke akona lokho, kanti yikho impela. So these things ziyamangaza abantu baNkulunkulu, but these secret societies akhona, ayasebenza in the background. Even in high schools njengamanje sesiyabona iy'ngane zi-initiate-ana nani, siyabona iy'ngane kwenzeka izinto eziningi ezahlukahlukene, to prove ukuthi lento ikhona ngampela, to prove ukuthi lento iyaphila ngampela, to prove ukuthi kukanjena ngampela. Bahoda basikana amareza, magazi nani, abanye they are not smart enough in these things. Because people, these ex-witches and abanye ex-satanists, they say all the things abazenzayo, bayazisho. Abanye sebephumile bayasho ukuthi hayibo senze ukuthi nokuthi thina lapha. Abanye basho ngisho bephakathi ukuthi hayibo lapha kwenzeka ukuthi yazi emini thina senze 1 or 2 or 3. They mention all these things. They mention ukuthi sisebenza ngokuthi, bayasho ukuthi sisebenza ngemikhuba ukuthi nokuthi. If umuntu oweak ongakhulekelwa, hawu wena ulula, you are an easy target. Wena sisebenza ngawo, wena ulula kakhulu sekuthola kanje. Because bafuna ukuthi uvule a certain door khona bezokwazi ukuthi bangene, and then solve their agendas ngendlela abafuna ukuthi benze ngayo. So into ebalekile abantu baNkulunkulu ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi sikhuleke siqaphele, because enye into esemqoka ukukhulekela, especially obomama emakhaya abazali. Pray for your children mahambe uhlala e-university. Ziningi izinto ezenzakala lapha. Khulekela umntwana wakho. Hlezi banxusela abazali abantwana benu abahlala ema-race ukuze bangeze baba nenkinga, le mimoya ibazuze nabo, because imimoya ifuna ukubabulala, ifuna ukuqeda ngabo. So pray for your child ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi noma ehleli lapha azazi ukuthi ubani, azazi ukuthi ufundisweni, azazi ukuthi uyokwenzani lapha, azazi futhi ukuthi kumele abuye njani, azi konke. Because uzubona ukuthi i-useless kangakanani yonke lento. Uthi noma umntwana esefundile nani kodwa akasawuthola umsebenzi usehleli phansi. Engasathola esehleli phansi ke use-influence ekuthenini yazini ngcono ngiphuze, yazini ngcono ngenze ukuthi, yazi ngcono impilo yami because vela yikho into engiyiphilelayo, vela ngisebenzi, vele ngokuthi nokuthi. Bese kuphela kanjalo ngempilo yakhe. Balekile ukukhuleka abantu baNkulunkulu. So from this dream uNkulunkulu ayangibonisa kona ukuthi ezikoleni izingane ziyothunjwa, zife, aziyile ukufunda kodwa kuyobulawa. Take your child, umyise esikoleni, masumyise khona, pray for them ukuthi uNkulunkulu abavikele. Ngoba kahle kwasekuqaleni, we shouldn't be doing all these things. We should be learning izinto ezizokwazi ukuthi sisebenze ngazo ngezandla zethu. Because ezikoleni kakhulu into efunda kakhulu it's all about theory and less practical. Gcina ngafundanga lutho, abantwana bengazi lutho. But we need to pray for everything. Konakele, especially isikhathi sokugcina siphila manje. Sithi siyazi, sibhonga nje ngebhubesi sifuna singamgwinya. And usathana nkathi ewa lapha emhlabeni wayazi ukuthi unesikhathi esingaka esifishane. So wenzani spread yonke into, wenza yonke into because uyazi isikhathi sakhe sincane, isikhathi sakhe siyaphela, akayenze yonke into engayenza manje. Usebenzisa as many as he can manje. Ukuluthekisa ukulahlekisa abaningi manje. Ukuze abantu bafele ezonweni, abantu bangaphulukisa, abantu imphefumulo yabo ingasindiswa, ingahlengwa. Ukwenza nini lokho manje? So abantu baNkulunkulu asihlakanipheni, asikhulekele yonke into. Sizisindise, sizihlenge ngoba umdalo wethu nomhlaba usibonisela lokho zonke lezi zinto. Kwasi nje benani, ngibusise inisize, nikhuleke. Nikhulekele zonke izinto, sikhule esikoleni imimoya. Iyasebenza emagumbini thizeni. Yasebenza principles bangani benu athi asambeni siwenza ukuthi asambeni siyo-enjoya, abantu sebenziswa bomnyama. They're from the secret society. Qaphelani gadani nibuke yonke into. Everything ekususa kuNkulunkulu iyakulahlekisa, everything imoshela isikhathi iyakulahlekisa. All the bashes ema-university, all the first year nani kwamukelwa inani ayalahlekisa. If yonke into engahlangene noNkulunkulu iyakulahlekisa. So asibuyeleni kuJehova, sihlenge sisindiswe, senzeni intando yakhe khona ezoba nathi kubona konke. So ezinye izinkundla zokuxhumana ezikhona, Lihle Ithemba ku-TikTok, Facebook Lihle Ithemba Mzobe, Instagram Lihle Ithemba Wende Mzobe. Lapho uzothola khona short 10 minutes clips, ama-video uNkulunkulu edlulisa imiyalezo yakhe. Inkosi nje ibe nani, nibusise, nihlale nizisindisa ngoba indaba engane ingemphefumulweni, ningalahleki ngalothekiswa ubumnyama balesi sikhathi obufisa izimpilo zenu, befisa ukuqeda ngani. Kodwa yamukelani uJesu njengoNkosi nomsindisi, nihlale ebukhoneni bakhe, niqine ngaso sonke isikhathi, nilindele ukubuya kwaKristu. Lo simlindele ukuthi abuye ngamafa. Inkosi ibe nani manje kuphakade. Amen.